Hi, welcome to another video by O40 Game Lab. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can start your own Minecraft server using the Canarymod. It's a modification of the Minecraft server in such a way that you can program your own little plugins for it. And we're gonna start by installing Canarymod. You have to go to canarymod.net, what I'll show you here, and click on the Get Canarymod and just pick the latest for Minecraft 1.7.10 download jar Canarymod 1.7.10-112. So that means it's the latest version of the Canarymods for 1.7.10. I'm clicking on the jar download link, and I have to, it's Dutch, but it says yes, I want to keep that executable jar file. It downloaded. I'm going to go and visit my downloads directory, and there's a lot more stuff there, but what I want to show you is how you can do this. I'm going to right click on my desktop and create a directory, and I'm gonna call it Minecraft. There we go. I'm gonna open Minecraft, and I'm gonna put the Canarymod inside that directory. So I've got a Minecraft directory with Canarymod inside. In the first lesson of this series I told you how you could install the Java JDK, and you need to have Java installed, else this won't work. What you can do is double click the Canarymod executable jar file, what you see here, double click it, and it created several directories and it stopped executing. If this is the first time you execute Canarymod 1.7.10, you'll get this result. You need to double click the EULA, E-U-L-A, and remove false and put true in there, and then press save. If you now double click the Canarymod, you see it starts, and it's preparing the spawn area. The server is running as we speak, and it's Canarymod 1.7.10. It's running on a port as well. Every server, Minecraft server, runs on an IP address and a port number. This is the default port for any Minecraft server, 25565. You can change this port if you want, but we're not going to do that. How can you know what IP address your computer has? If you're on a Windows machine, you can go to this Windows icon here. In Windows 8 you just have to get to this little program called CMD. It stands for command. Why is it doing this? This is not what I wanted. CMD, enter. Here we go, and you have a command line shell, and you can press ipconfig, ipconfig. Just type that in, press enter, and you have to look for this little address, IPv4 address, 10.2.11.55.6. This is an IP address, and you need that in order to play Minecraft on your server, because this server is running on that IP address here, and it's running on the default port, but that's okay. I'm gonna press this little button here to put it in the background. And I already downloaded Minecraft and put it on my desktop, so I double click it. Yes. And if you are playing this for the first time, if you want to play on your own server, you have to play the Minecraft 1.7.10. This launcher here needs to be configured in order to have it at 1.7.10. What you need to do is press new profile. If it's already not doing that, then 1.7.10. I'm just naming my profile, and you can choose one of these releases here. It's already at 1.8.1, but we have a server running at 1.7.10, so we click release 1.7.10. I'm gonna press save profile, and I'm gonna select 1.7.10. I'm gonna select the profile I just saved, and I'm gonna press play. So here's my Minecraft, and it's running 1.7.10, exactly the same version as my Canarymod server. Okay, I'm gonna press multiplayer. These are already servers I made. I'm just gonna add a server 1, and there are two ways of connecting to your server at home. One of them is the difficult way, and that's the IPv4 address 10.2.11.556. 10.2.11.556. If you would use a different port, you would have to put a semicolon like that, and then 25565 or another one. I don't know, 33. This is after the semicolon is the port address. But for the default, you can just leave it like it is, and then here we have it, Minecraft server 1. I can log into it. And we're inside the world that was generated. One thing of notice here, you cannot destroy anything. It's because you're not in the group. Visitors doesn't have the right permissions. I'm gonna fix that and show you how you can do that. I'm just gonna disconnect this one here, and I'm gonna do several things. One of them is getting a plugin. So I'm going to go to Canarymod to get plugins, and I'm gonna type the name World Edit. It's a famous plugin for Pocket, but now it's already available for Canarymod. So you need to click on this World Edit 6.00 snapshot. Maybe yours has a different version. Anyway, I need to keep it. And I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna show it in my downloads directory here, World Edit, and I'm going to go to my Minecraft directory inside my desktop. There's a plugins directory, and I need to move my World Edit inside that plugins directory. Whilst I'm at it, I'm gonna stop. Just gonna press stop there, my server, and these plugins. Let me see the config. Yes, inside the config directory, you can just open it. There's an ops file for the operators. There's a server.cfg. You don't see the CFG in this machine, but you can just open it or edit it, and if you do that, you can edit this little file. And what you need to look for is, I'm just gonna look for Control F to look for idle, because one of the things I always I like to show how you can edit this file. Just play your idle timeout 1. That means after 1 minute, if you don't move, you're gonna be kicked. I want to move this to 10, so the new value is 10 minutes before it'll kick you. So I'm just gonna save this file. So I edited this. For the rest, that's okay. And I got my plugin set up, so I'm just gonna run it again, my Canarymod. Here we have it. found one plugins. Yes, so my world edit plugin was found, it's enabled, and it's done. I need to do one more thing. I wrote it down. In order to make it possible for you to, as a visitor, to edit the world, you need to do enter this command: groupmod space permission space add space visitors space canary.world.build. I'm just gonna copy paste this whole thing and just gonna put it inside the bottom line here in the server window. There we have it. Groupmod permission add visitors canary.world.build. Enter. Permission added, it says. Okay, let's check out our new server here. Multiplayer. This one was done using the IP address, but there's another way of doing this. On a local machine, you can use localhost. And that works on a Mac and a PC as well. So you can just use localhost to log in. And here we have our new server. If we now want to change something, let me just, yes, I can just destroy something now. So it's working. So I'm in I'm inside the right group, and this group can edit the world. If I now press / and then plugins, you see this unknown command, because I'm not an operator. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna go to the server, to the bottom line here. I'm just gonna type ops me, and that's my name. And then I go back to my Minecraft, type / plugins. And it's gonna it shows me it's loaded world edit, and it's green, so it's functioning properly. So now you can use world edit inside your own little server. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. The next lessons we're gonna dive deeper into creating plugins with Canarymod whilst using Java. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you next time. Today I'm going to show you how you can install your own Canarymod server, and I pronounced that wrong, so this is my first blooper. Yeah!